This is what I'm talking about the water come upstream. You see how the water destroys the bathroom, even the floor too. You see? You see? All the water, the plumbing upstairs is not good. Look, look. You see? It's not good at all. This is what I'm talking about. You see what I'm talking about? You see the water? You see?